Visit Dodge.com or your local dealer today.
This will probably be a big shopping weekend for a lot of people, but you need to be prepared because the weather may not cooperate with us.
Yeah, especially since most of the malls have opened,
Yes.
open shopping and it's outdoors. So certainly the rain could get on the way of your plans, but we'll talk more about that in just a second. Right now it is 62 degrees in the downtown area, humidity at 78%. And look at that, the sunset now setting a little bit later at 4:43. And since December 3rd, we've had later sunsets. However, the days are still getting shorter. Why? Because the sun is rising later, and that will continue through January 7th. On the 21st, we have our solstice. Is also the shortest day of the year with only about 10 hours of daylight. Right now, we're keeping an eye on the clouds moving through Southern California. All that cloudiness in advance of the next storm system, which is going to wreak havoc for Northern California. It is also going to bring some snow over the Sierras and eventually into the northern Rockies. There's a ton of advisories and warnings in place, but for us, we're going to keep it mostly dry tonight. Humidity is holding on, and this is a really good thing, because as the next storm system approaches, we'll have a better chance of rainfall. Not like before when it's really dry and then the storms move in and they just kind of die down. This storm will do the same, but since we do have some of that moisture in place, we'll have a better likelihood of actually seeing a little bit of light drizzle, most likely late into the day on Saturday into early Sunday. And that potential could continue even into the early part of the afternoon. So which day will see the most clouds this weekend? Sunday will be your day. Mostly cloudy tonight, 47 Ramona, 47 Poway, 49 in El Cajon, 54 in Chula Vista, and around 56 degrees in La Jolla. Tomorrow will average in the mid to upper 60s, 60 at El Cajon, 64 Chula Vista. It'll be a cool day at the coast with 63 degrees, and the clouds will be around pretty much the entire day. In our 10 News Pinpoint 7-day forecast, a chance of drizzle only at 20%. There might be a touch of it in the morning, but the chance will be better late Saturday into early Sunday. Highs around 64 degrees. We'll start to see more sunshine next week as high pressure will start to build. The numbers, however, will not vary a whole lot over the course of the next 5 days at the coast. Inland areas will see maybe a degree higher here, a degree lower. So you see the idea here, 66 to 67 in average from tomorrow all the way through Thursday. And then next week, late Thursday into Friday, we're going to see our next potential for showers. So far, we've had some pretty active storms and there will be a few more on the way.
All right.